Is all you'll need to make my healthy kale soup. Star of the show. 3 sticks of celery, a green bell pepper, bit of sweetness, a couple of small onions or 1 large onion, as much or as little garlic as you'd like, and some stock cubes for some stock. I use beef to keep in with the earthy taste of the kale, but you can use vegetable. First thing we're going to do is chop your pepper, celery and onion up. Get a bit of oil, heat it up into your pan. Get them in there, cover them up with a lid and give them about 5 minutes just to soften down. When your veggies soften down, it's time to go in with some cracked black pepper and salt seasoning. And then it's in with 1 litre of stock. And into there you're going with your garlic. I love garlic, as you can see. Then you're going to pop the lid back on and just give that 15 minutes simmering. When your veg have been simmering away for 15 minutes, time to go in with your kale. Don't worry about the amount. It's all going to go down. So back on with the lid and give that 5 minutes for your kale to settle down. When your kale has had 5 minutes, squash it down into the liquid, and then you're going to let that simmer away for another 15 minutes at least. The longer you simmer, the less chance you'll have any stringy bits off your celery. When your veg have been simmering away, turn off the heat, let them cool down for a bit because you're going to put them in a blender now. Get them into your blender and blitzed up. Once you've pulverised it in your blender, back into your bowl, and then you're ready to serve yourself a lovely nutritious soup.